Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is May the 3rd, and the chart of the day for today is the Euro Yen here. So here is a 60 minutes time frame. We can see in the pair ended with 3 in the minor degree here, and currently within with 4 pullback. The subdivision is in the form of an ABC or a zigzag. We finished the A here and the B here, and now within the C leg down. Now, first of all of you know that the yen pairs continue to be bullish, right? It continues to make a new high because of the monetary policy of the BOJ that keeps printing money. Now, they recently have done a lot of intervention, but again, it doesn't really matter what they do. We follow the technicals, right? And we just basically go with the trend, which is still bullish, and it's going to be bullish for a long term here. And any pullback, therefore, will continue to find support in 3 swing or 7 swing. So we have these 3 swings identified already. This is our first, this is our second. So the target on the downside, therefore, is going to be ideally in the 100% extension of this 1 and 2. So that's why the third swing or the C leg is expected to finish somewhere around this area between 162.7 and 159, right? So that will be where we expect the pair to find buyers right here, and then from here we can either go to new high of course it's not going to be instant, but it's a process, or we're going to be bouncing in 3 ways at least to correct this entire decline, right? So the minimum expectation is a 3-year rally, if not going to new high. Now if I look at the daily time frame, again, if you zoom out, then obviously you know it is bullish, right? You can see it continues to make a high high, high low, high high, high low. So there is no question about what the right side is. And yeah, so therefore we are looking for any kind of pullback. If we can identify 3 swing and we can identify the extreme area, then we do prefer trading or entering in the direction of the trend in the higher time frame. Now, what will be the other options here? What will be the other option? Well, the other options, I can think about 2 other options, with one being less likely. Now let me talk the less likely option first. The less likely option is this is a 1 and 2, and then this is with 3, which is this is another 1 to 1 2. So that will be possible to go all the way down to the 1.618 in a 1 2 3. Now why do I think it is not really, it is less likely? Because in the history, intervention, central bank intervention only can give you some sort of oscillation like this, but it won't change the trend that much, right? It won't change the trend that much. The trend is a secular trend. You know, the central bank is just being irresponsible with the monetary policy, right? And the debt to GDP is very high, so that will not change the trend just by intervention like this. So so that to me is less likely. Now the other one, which is possible, is that instead of this is an ABC, so this actually ended here. So you can think of this as your C leg ending here, and then this one therefore is an ABC ended here, and this is the correction of the ABC, this ABC, and then we have a new cycle down. So in that case, then the count should be something like a W here, right? A here, B here, and C. So we have ABC down, ending, so that the initial ABC zigzag ended here, and this is your X. So what's the difference? Well, if this is the count, then in order to get the extension lower, instead of measuring using this AB and then you're thinking 1 2 3 4 5, actually you're measuring it like this. So you're measuring the Y equal to W. Now in that case, you can see that the 100% target actually is going to shift on the downside like this. That will be our area. between 155 and 159.8. So this, I think, is another possibility. So the thing is, you don't know for sure 100%. Never in trading is always never going to be 100%, right? But this one is another possibility, right? So we'll see how it goes, how far it's going to pull back. But for now, what we are calling is this one, that this is EB, and then now looking for select down, which if this is correct, we should be able to find support somewhere around here, this area, and then starts to at least rally in 3 ways. All right, so that's the update here, guys, from the euro yen. And as always, if you want to get more updates on other forex, commodities, indices, and stock ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, guys, and have a nice day, everyone.